southbound passing 6th Street. No, go. He's holding something out the window.
Looks like a phone.
Pull in behind him.
Pull back out. It looks like he's continuing eastbound on Mill, did a loop through the parking lot. Copy eastbound on Mill, did a loop through the hospital parking lot. Okay, now westbound Mill passing, we're down again. Stay westbound on Mill. Consume to the Royal Takeover Radio. We are heading southbound on Kerman from Mill Street. Southbound Kerman from Mill.
240's got lead. Within some of it.
Heading eastbound Highland. 30 to 60. We are now heading westbound on Mill again. Doing circles. Could be westbound on Mill. He's calling into the Renown emergency.
Yep.
God, I don't like that this is right here. There's a lot of people. Get ready. Nope.
Please come back around emergency.
Get ready. I got verbals. Keep your hands where I can see them. Keep your hands where I can see them, or else I will shoot you.
Tell him to come out or the dog will bite him.
Come out or the dog will bite you. Do you understand? Keep your hands where I can see them. Shots fired.
Reno Police, do not move! Reno Police, do not move! I see the gun. Where? It's right on his left hand, right on the. Oh! I need gloves. Alright. Careful. I got you covered.
Can we get the keys out?
Fingers in the gun. Yep. One hand is hand. It's in my right hand. Okay.
Here's whose hands?
Okay, on my side. On my side. Go. Get it up.
Come in and push up against the back side.
Alright, go.
Your man, shots up there.
Here. Someone hold this?
I got it.
Cuff him.